So in this page, I want to open the newtools.com. Under this page, I want to capture all the links. And this is a tab which you can get the, first of all, I'm going to capture this entire tab and I want to get the list of elements present in this tab. Okay. So for that, what I'm going to do is just I'm going to open my Eclipse and I'm going to create a class list. So my scenario is I want to take the screenshot for the captured elements also. So I want to take the screenshot for the captured elements which are present in the particular tab, in the current tab itself. So for that, so I'm going to create a new class, right click on that, go to new package, go to new, click on the class and mention the name as links counter. Okay, links counter, public static void main, click finish. Now under that I'm going to use system dot set property of WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. Okay, no, Chrome dot driver, and where I'm going to mention my path of the file. So d:// Chrome driver dot exe. Okay. So after that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to capture my browser. So I'm going to create an object for instance of a class variable for the Chrome browser. So Chrome driver d = new Chrome driver. Okay. Now after that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to mention d dot. So meanwhile, just I need to add my jar files, right? I don't have any jar file to add this project. So right click on the project, go to the properties, Java build path, and click on the WebDriver. Go to the libraries, Java class path, click on the add external jars, and click on the C drive, and where you can find your jar file, Selenium server standalone. Okay, click open, click apply, and click apply and close. Right. So I have added my jar file. So to identify this, what we can do on the right hand side, you can find the reference libraries. Under the reference libraries, we can find the Selenium server standalone. Right now.
Yes.
So once I get .getter, so what is the URL of the page I want to mention is http://www.newtools.demo80.com. So now after that, so what I'm going to do is just I'm going to maximize the window d.manage.window.maximize. Now I want to get the title of the page, string a = d.get a title. Okay. Similarly, system dot out dot println of a. Okay, now I'm going to use, similarly, I'm going to use string b = d.get current URL. Okay, current URL. Under that, I'm going to use system dot out dot println of b. Okay, so I'm going to get the okay now after that, what I'm going to do, I want to capture this entire tab. Okay, na? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I want to capture this entire tab. So for that, right click on that, go to the click and inspect that element. So once I inspect that element, we need to capture the entire tab. So just click on that and you can identify only this part, right? So I want to capture only this part. So for that, I'm going down, just click on the arrow symbol and just you can inspect that element, right? See in this. So once you click on that, so I'm going to inspect only this part, right? See, right? So only this part, right? See, have you observed this? That box. So is there any ID for that? Nothing is there. So no ID, no name, nothing. So what we can do instead of that, we can go for XPath. We can take the XPath first.
XPath.
So we can write as web element some link equal to d dot find element of by dot XPath. Just I'm going to give semicolon. List web element links equal to link dot find elements of by dot tag name. So what is the tag name? So each element started with the tag name.
AR system.
Sorry.
Yes, sir.
So just when you click on that and click on the A, TR, TD, under the TD, you can identify the font. A started with A, ended with A. This is right.
Yes.
So each element started
Yes.
with the tag name A, right? So mention as A. Now I want to get the size of those elements. So system dot out dot println links dot size. Okay, na? Links dot size. So after that, I want to read each and every element. Int I equal to 0, and just I can use as I less than links dot size, links dot size, and after that I plus plus. So I'm going to use system dot out dot println of links dot get of I dot get text. That's all. Same what we have done this for the links and drop down elements. The same syntax which you're going to use. That's all. Save the file. Now just click on the. Is there any errors? Yes, we have 3 errors. Now click on that here, and just you can identify it as change to Chrome driver. Now similarly, there is one more error here. So we can get as it's not capable. It is d dot get
current URL.
d dot get a current URL.
Yes.
Run as so just we can identify it and we can show that as so these are all the link names. Okay, na? So the title of the page, URL of the page, size, and these are all the elements present in the top. Okay, na?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is how we are going to work on links. Okay, now we can work as so opening new tools. Opening new tools. Capture the get the maximize the window, get the title and URL of the page. So capture all the links from the current page and close it. I want to take the capture the screenshot, right? Capture the screenshot, capture the screenshot and close the browser, right? Close the browser. So I need to take this capture that. So when you want to I think we have taken the screenshot also, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the function? File src. We can take any variable, right? Src equal to
take
screenshot. Take screenshot of d dot get a screenshot. Get screenshot as output type. Output type. Output type dot file. Okay. Now after that, I'm going to use file utils dot copy file of src, comma, new file with an extension of d1 app dot png. Okay, na? This is an extension which you're going to use in this part. Okay, now change to take screenshot. Change to take screenshot. Now similarly, get a screenshot as and add, just change to file java.io. Okay, similarly change to java.io. Now just add through declarations. Okay, save the file. Now run as Java. So what will happen is, first it will open the page, it will get the maximize the window and getting the title and URL, and is going to capture all the links from the page. And similarly, it will capture it will take the screenshot for the current page and it will close the browser. Okay, na?
Okay.
So when you want to open the D drive, in the D drive, you can find app.png, right? So is there any
Yes, sir.
app.png? So app.png. Okay, now this is a page which you want to open. Got it?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, now? So this is a, you can try to work in different applications, sir. Okay, now?
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Amazon లో కూడా ఉంది. Amazon.
yeah, coming out, coming out. In the same page, so in this Amazon page, I want to capture these links. Okay, na? I want to capture all these links. Now for that, right click on that. I'm going to inspect the links. Okay, just click on that and click on this tab. Right. See, have you observed this? This is one tab. This is one tab. Is there any ID? No ID,
No,
no
sir.
name. You can take the X path. And each element started with the tag name A and ended with A. And this is the Amazon. See, have you observed this? It is highlighting there. Okay, na? So we can take the X path for all these things, right? So what I'm going to do is just I'm going to copy the same. So system from the system.out button and capturing the screenshot. And just what I can do is right click on the D1. Okay, right click on the D1. Go to new. Click on the class and mention as links count to public static void main. Click finish. So here I'm going to do. So I'm going to system.out.println and I want to get the URL, right? Just
Yes, sir.
amazon.in, right? This is a page.
Yes, sir.
So after that, I want to capture my web element, right? So under that web element, so I'm going to take the X path for this captured element. So I'll capture this element. So is there any ID? No ID. So I'm going to take the copy X path. Okay. Copy X path. Or else you can take the ID is there, na? ID is there, na? So we can
Yes,
take
sir.
the
Yes.
ID also. For the timing, I'll take X path and show that. If it is not accepting, then we can go for the X path.
ID.
So just I'll try to run this. And if the ID is not captured, one more issue is there. Okay, what is that error? Virus C first. You can remove that part. Add through declarations. Okay, na?
Yes.
You can change the extension name. Okay, and you can run the program. This is the how we are going to work on this different pages. You can run it. Okay, na? So how to take the how to work on drop down elements and links. Okay. Now, what is your next scenario? I'll give one task to you, sir. You try to work and send it on the WhatsApp. My scenario is
Okay.
click each and every link, sir. I want to click cell. Click on this cell, go back. Again, click on the Amazon link. Again, go back. Home page రావాలి. Again, click on the best cells. Go back. Can we do it like this?
బ్యాక్ అనే మెథడ్ వాడి వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు సార్. బ్యాక్ అంటే ఫార్వర్డ్ బ్యాక్వర్డ్
బ్యాక్ వెళ్ళి ఎక్కడికి
అది
వెళ్తుంది?
ఒకసారి
వేర్ డస్ ఇట్ గోస్? బ్యాక్ వెళ్ళి ఎక్కడికి వస్తుంది మళ్ళీ కర్సర్?
హోమ్ పేజ్ అక్కడ అయిపోతుంది.
ఓకే, హోమ్ పేజ్ కి వచ్చేస్తుంది. మళ్ళీ ఆ కర్సర్ ఎక్కడికి రావాలి? ఇట్ హ్యాస్ టు కమ్ టు దిస్, ఇట్ హ్యాస్ టు కమ్ టు దిస్ టాబ్ అండ్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ టు క్లిక్ ఆన్ ది నెక్స్ట్ లింక్.
yes.
హౌ టు
మీరు ఒకసారి నాకు టిప్ చెప్పండి సార్. టిప్ చెప్తే నేను ట్రై చేస్తాను.
మీరు ఆల్రెడీ ఇది క్యాప్చర్ చేశారు కదా ఈ ట్యాబ్ అంతా?
సార్
దాంట్లో
ట్యాబ్ అంతా
లింక్స్ అని క్యాప్చర్ చేశారు కదా, ఆ 2 లైన్స్ ఫర్ లూప్ లో పెట్టేయండి.
అర్థం కాలేదు సార్.
ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఆల్రెడీ ఇది చూడండి,
లింక్స్ వచ్చాయి.
వెబ్ పేమెంట్ ఉందా?
సార్
ఈ 2 లైన్స్ ఫర్ లూప్ లో పెట్టుకోండి. మీరు బ్యాక్ క్లిక్ చేసిన తర్వాత మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు? బ్లాక్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ మీరు ఏం రాస్తారు? డి డాట్ ఫైండ్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఆఫ్, ఓకే, డి డాట్ నావిగేట్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ రాస్తారు కదా, నావిగేట్ డాట్ బ్యాక్ అని రాస్తారు అవునా? బ్యాక్ రాసిన తర్వాత ఎక్కడికి రావాలి? మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్కి వచ్చిన తర్వాత ప్రీవియస్ ఈ 2 లైన్స్ ఇక్కడ పెట్టేసేయండి. ఏది మీరు క్యాప్చర్ చేసిన వెబ్ ఎలిమెంట్, లిస్ట్ వెబ్ ఎలిమెంట్. ఓకేనా? ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఈ ట్యాబ్ వస్తుంది, ఆ ట్యాబ్ లో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్ ని క్యాప్చర్ చేస్తుంది నెక్స్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్. ఓకేనా
సార్? ఒక్కసారి మీరు ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ బ్యాక్ వెళ్ళి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఓపెన్ చేస్తారు. ఇక్కడ అంటే ఎక్కడో మిస్టేక్,
ఎక్కడ మిస్టేక్
అట్లా అనిపిస్తుంది.
ఏం లేదు సార్, మీరు ఇదంతా క్యాప్చర్ చేశారు కదా, హోమ్ పేజ్ కొళ్ళి వచ్చి ఎక్కడికి రావాలి? మళ్ళీ ఈ ట్యాబ్ లోకి రావాలి. ట్యాబ్ మనం ఆల్రెడీ క్యాప్చర్ చేసాం వెబ్ ఎలిమెంట్ ని. ఆ వెబ్ ఎలిమెంట్ లేదా ఈ 2 లైన్స్ చూసారా? ఆ 2 లైన్స్ బ్యాక్ కింద పెట్టండి అట్లా.
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే.
ఏమవుతుంది? ఆ కర్సర్ అక్కడ అప్పుడు డూప్లికేట్ అయిపోతుంది కాబట్టి వెబ్ ఎలిమెంట్ అనే దాన్ని తీసేయండి. ఇక్కడ కూడా లిస్ట్ వెబ్ ఎలిమెంట్ అనే దాన్ని తీసేయండి చాలు, అంతే. ఆటోమేటిక్ ఆ ట్యాబ్ లోకి వస్తుంది, ఆ ట్యాబ్ లో ఉన్న నెక్స్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ క్లిక్ చేస్తుంటుంది.
ఓకే
ఓకేనా?
ఓకే.
ట్రై చేస్తారు ఈ లోపల. నేను జస్ట్ మీ స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయండి, డౌట్ ఉంటే నేను చెప్తా.
ఓకే సార్.